Exercise 4.5. A bullet of mass 20 grams strikes a pendulum of mass 5 kg. The center of mass of pendulum rises a vertical distance of 10 cm. If the bullet gets embedded into the pendulum, calculates its initial speed. Okay. So here the mass of the bullet is given as 20 gram. So that is 0.02 kg. Okay. Mass of pendulum is m is equal to 5 kg. And the height is given as 10 centimeter. So that is 0.1 meter. Okay. Now a bullet is striking the pendulum. Okay. And it is embedded inside the pendulum. Okay. So here the law of conservation of energy is applied. Okay. So we can write kinetic energy of the block is equal to potential energy of the block. Okay. That is block is the pendulum. Okay. Pendulum of mass 5 kg. Okay. So here what is the kinetic energy? Half m v square is equal to mgh. So what is v square? V square is equal to m and m will get cancelled. It is 2gh. So we can calculate root 2gh. Here it is 2 into 9.8 into 0.1. So you'll be getting it as root of 1.96, which is 1.4 meter per second. So we have got v value. We have got the v value. Now, in inelastic collision, we know the velocity is equal to m1 u1 plus m2 u2 by m1 plus m2. Okay. Here, the object u2 is at what? Rest. So, it is u2 is equal to 0. So, we can write v is equal to m1 u1 by m1 plus m2. So, what is that? m1? m1 is 0.02. u1 you don't know. We have to find out u1. So, here it is. Mass is 5 kg, 0.02. Bullet is 0.02. Pendulum is 5. So, this is v is equal to 0.02 u1 by 5.02. So, we have to calculate u1. u1 is equal to 5.02 by 0.02 into v. We know the value for v. If you substitute the value for v, 5.02 by 0.02 into 1.4. Okay. So, if you multiply this value, you will be getting it as 7.028 divided by 0.02. So, if you divide this, you will be getting it as 351.4 meter per second. So, that is your velocity u1.